In today's video, I'll show you how to fix publishing failed in Webflow. If publishing fails in Webflow, the issue is usually related to your internet connection, Webflow servers, or temporary browser problems. Here's what to check. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and fast connection. You can test your speed using websites like fast.com. If your connection is slow or unstable, publishing may not complete successfully. Second, check Webflow's server status. Go to status.webflow.com to see if there's an ongoing issue on their end. If the system is temporarily down, you'll need to wait until it's resolved. Third, refresh your browser or clear cache and cookies. Temporary browser data can block publishing. Clear your cookies and site data, then log back into your account and try publishing again. If the problem continues, review your project for broken links, large files, or heavy content that could be affecting performance. You can also check your browser's task manager for high memory usage. And that's it. That's how you fix publishing failed in Webflow.